When a character is doing an attack, we want to make sure to disable any player controls. This is so, for example, it doesn't change to a different state right in the middle of attack. Let's make that change. Add a reference to the I input interface that was used to handle player controls. And from within the onEnable method, add the following line of code. Here, we're just setting the control enabled property to false to disable the player from controlling the character. After the attack has finished, we need to reset the controls back to the player, or else the player won't be able to control the character anymore. We can do that by adding the following onDisable method. Within this method, we just have to call the same line of code as before, except we just need to set the enable property to false, like so, to give back control to the player. And once the attack state is disabled, the player will be able to control the character again. If you find these videos helpful, please subscribe. When we worked on the player control scripts from one of our previous videos, we didn't completely finish setting it up not to check for any inputs made by the player when the script is disabled. Let's fix that here in this video. For each method, we just need to add a new if statement to check if the script is enabled or disabled. If disabled, we want the getAccess method to return 0, and we want the getKeyDown method to return false, like so. When working on a jab attack script, we also forgot to disable the player controls. Let's fix that here also by adding the same changes as we did before. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.